Hello everyone. Today we are moving one step forward towards our topic Quant Real Life. Yesterday, with the help of conversation between Priya and Kavya, we understood the concept of finding out selling price if we know loss or profit percent. Today, we will understand that if we know profit or loss percent along with selling price this time, so how we will get to know about cost price. You get the point? That in last video we find out selling price when cost price was given, and now we will find out cost price if selling price is given. So now Priya and Kavya are on their phone, and while talking to each other they are discussing about Priya's table that she sold yesterday. Priya: Hi Kavya, I want to tell you about my table that I sold yesterday. Kavya: What do you want to tell me about it? Priya: I actually have a riddle. I sold my table for rupees 517 yesterday. This made me a profit of 10%. Now you have to tell me that at what price did I purchase it for? Kavya is taking few minutes to solve this riddle. While she is solving the riddle, we need to find out that what was the cost price of the table that Kavya bought it for. Here we are given selling price as rupees 517 and the profit is 10%. So for this we will use the same formula that we used in the previous video. Here the selling price is equals to cost price into 1 plus profit percent since we are given profit percent and not loss. So this implies the cost price equals to selling price upon 1 plus profit percentage, because we need to find out cost price instead of selling price. So after substituting the values, we get cost price equals to 517 upon 1 plus 10%, which we can write as cost price equals to 517 upon 1 plus 10 upon 100, since we can write 10% as 10 upon 100. So while calculating, we get to know that we can divide 10 by 100 and write it as 1 upon 10. This implies the cost price equals to 517 upon 11 by 10. 11 by 10 because we get 1 plus 1 upon 10, which after taking LCM get converted to 10 plus 1 upon 10, which is equals to 11 by 10. So this implies that the cost price equals to 517 into 10 upon 11, which is equals to 470. So this implies that the cost price was rupees 470, for which Priya bought her table. This time Priya and Kavya are discussing about Priya's watch. Priya says, Yaar Kavya, I had bought a watch 2 years back, but no one in my house liked it. So I want to give it back to the shopkeeper, but it is too late to give it back. I thought to sell it to the same shopkeeper, but he said that he will purchase this watch for rupees 2045, and this is making me a loss of 10%. Now you tell me what to do. Kavya says, don't go for selling it for rupees 2045. At least try to make a profit of 15%. Priya says, then for how many rupees I should sell it for? Kavya is taking few minutes to find the solution. While she is solving it, we need to find out the cost price first, for which Priya is getting a loss of 10%. Here, the selling price is rupees 2045 and the loss is 10%. So to solve this, we will use the same formula that we used previously. Here selling price is equals to cost price into 1 minus loss percent, which implies cost price equals to selling price upon 1 minus loss percent. After substituting the values, we get cost price equals to 2045 upon 1 minus 10%. And 10% can be written as 10 by 100. So we can write cost price is equals to 2045 upon 1 minus 10 upon 100. This implies cost price equals to 2045 upon 1 minus 1 upon 10. This implies cost price equals to 2045 upon 9 by 10, which can be written as 2045 into 10 upon 9. This gives approximate value, which is 2272.22 rupees. Now we have the cost price of the watch, which is rupees 2272.22 rupees, and Kavya is saying to make a profit of 15% at this watch. So now we will use the formula selling price is equals to cost price into 1 plus profit percent, and directly we will substitute the values into it. This implies selling price is equals to 2272.22 into 1 plus 15%, and 15% can be written as 15 by 100. After calculating, we get the selling price is equals to 3521.941 rupees, which is the approximate value. I hope you like this video. More conceptual videos are on the way, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts related to this video, then you can write that down in the comment box below. Or if you want to know about different topics, then also you can write that in the comment box. Thank you.